Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to have our Crafts and More kit for July. And it's going to be about forest animals and things you can find in the forest. Alright, our craft is going to be a fox. You are going to get 3 popsicle sticks. What I want you to do is before you glue them, take an orange crayon and color them. They color really easy. And we will have you an orange piece of paper that you can put under here and the ears cut. I colored mine, but we'll have orange paper cut for you. And once you get your popsicle sticks colored, glue your popsicle sticks together like this. The 2 sides down to a point and then one across the top like that. So it's an upside down triangle. So at the top you'll have 2 ears and you can glue your little triangles on there. In the center of your orange paper you will have 2 eyes and you can glue your Google eyes on, and then you will have a black pom-pom for his little nose. Everything will be in a Ziploc bag for you, so it'll all be right there together. Like I said, the only thing you'll have to do is color your popsicle sticks. Alright, now for your snack, you find acorns in the forest, or we find them in our yard sometimes. Well, to fix us an acorn, you're going to get a mini vanilla wafer, a Hershey Kiss, and a chocolate chip. So what we're going to do, you will have some chocolate frosting. I didn't want to open up a can of chocolate frosting just yet, so I had some cream cheese. It's what I'm going to use. Just something that will hold my Hershey Kiss and my chocolate chip on. The reason we'll get the chocolate frosting is because it'll blend in a little bit better. But we'll take this cream cheese, and what we'll do, we'll get your Hershey Kiss, and we'll put a little bit on the bottom of your Hershey Kiss. Put it right there, just enough to hold it on, like that. And then we'll put its little top on, our chocolate chip. If I can pick it up, we'll put just a little bit on there, just enough to hold it on. And we put it on the other side, and there's your acorn. Then you can have a snack. All right, our STEM project is you will get 2 pine cones. This is what your pine cone will look like when you get it. What I would like for you to do is find 2 containers. These are plastic containers, close to the same size. One of them you put warm water in, and the other one you put cold water in. And see which one closes up first. This is the one that was the warm water. And this one it wasn't cold, it was cool, I'll say. Now you can tell that the one that had the warm water may be closed a little bit more than the cold water. It took 20 to 30 minutes to do this. But if you had really cold water, I would say it would take longer for the cold water. But I might be wrong. I want you to let me know which one closed up first, either your cold water or your warm water. Now remember, this is what your pine cones will look like when you receive them. So find you a container close enough to the same size that you can put cold water in and warm water in that will completely cover, or 3/4 of your pine cone, okay? And see how long it takes for them to close up. This was between 20 and 30 minutes. Okay, hope you enjoy this kit. Be sure to come by and pick it up at the library. It will be in the lobby of the library. And it's your Crafts and More kit for July. Thank you.